Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1 and we're going to ask you some questions. Yeah.
How often do you go on a picnic?
Well, according to your question, I don't think so. In my entire life, I go for
I've
picnic.
ever been to picnic. In my
I've
entire
been.
life, I have ever been to picnic.
Uh, yep.
I'm correcting you grammatically, okay? So, anyways, how often do you go for a picnic? You don't go for a picnic? Say,
No.
I don't go for a picnic at all. And I don't like the idea of picnicking and all that. I always prefer to eat at home. So, to answer your question, I've never been on picnic before. Something like this.
Okay.
But you have to answer in 4-5 sentences. Do you know
Okay.
what picnic is?
Yep.
You cook some meal at home, you take it outside in the garden, park, anywhere, and you eat there. That is what we call picnic. Or sometimes you cook outside. You go to a park and you cook over there and you eat your meal there. That is what we call picnic.
Yep.
Okay? Yeah. So let's go on.
Do you think it is important to go for a picnic?
Yep. I think, in my opinion, it is good because it helps us to.
It helps us.
It helps us.
Helps.
It helps us to feel good and.
And okay.
There is no idea about.
Just try to complete your answer. One more.
What is the difference between picnic and cooking at home?
I think picnic is go for make something, cook something outside.
Don't
and
define it. Just talk about the difference. What is the difference between picnic and cooking at home? When you cook at home, it's still boring. You cook at home every day and you eat it there. But when you go for picnic, you cook outside in the open air and then you eat your meal there. So I think it is something different and you have more fun. So I think this is the main difference, that when you go for picnic, you enjoy the same meal more instead of eating the same thing at home. Something like that, okay? Don't be confused. Practice these questions because in actual exam they're going to ask you something like that. Okay, be ready for that. Your English is good but you're confused now, so that's why this confusion is not allowing you to speak. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Next please.